Oban Distillery is one of our oldest distilleries. It was founded in 1794, and the unique thing about the distillery is the town has actually grown up around the distillery. It predates the town, and we still do our traditional manufacturing methods to this day that were done since 1794, which I think makes it really special. It's very important that we stay true to that manufacturing and the quality of the spirit that we make here. So we have to be very creative and sensitive when making sure that we manufacture our products sustainably. All of our electricity comes from hydroelectric power source, a renewable source of electricity, and also our fuel is a biofuel, so it's a rapeseed oil reduction product that we burn in our boiler here on site that we use to generate all of our steam power for the site to distill the well-known whisky that we all love. It's always been a passion of mine to make sure that we can do what we do as sustainably and as protectively as we possibly can for the environment.